Opening statements were set for this morning in the trial of a man accused of murdering a Washington County mother, but they've been postponed for at least a day.
Jaime Tinoco is accused of stabbing Nicole Lobby to death in 2014. Trevor Ault was in the courtroom this morning. He joins us live from the Washington County Courthouse to explain what's causing the delay. Trevor.
Good afternoon, Ken and Jenny. It's been about 2.5 years since Nicole Lobby was killed and almost 2 years since Jaime Tinoco was arrested and charged with her murder. But this morning I learned that despite all of that time, Tinoco's defense attorneys didn't get all the evidence in this case until yesterday morning.
There are some issues that have come to the court's attention.
Instead of making their opening statements in the aggravated murder trial of Jaime Tinoco, the defense asked for a reset Monday morning.
Yesterday morning, we received about 310 pages of what has to be classified as Brady material.
Brady material essentially means evidence, and it's required by law to be turned over to defense attorneys so they can investigate it. And in this case, that didn't happen with all the evidence until yesterday. Following the murder of Nicole Lobby, the Washington County Sheriff's Office released a composite sketch of the suspect, and over the course of their investigation, they received about 150 calls from people offering tips. Lead Detective James George has had the tip sheets from those calls, but he didn't turn them over as evidence until Sunday.
I did not realize that they probably should have been submitted into evidence. I did not consider tip sheets called in by callers to be evidence of the crime of murder.
According to Tinoco's defense attorney, those tip sheets have information on what they consider to be several other suspects, and they say they'll need at least a month to investigate them.
The court will have the opportunity to take a look at this additional information. I'll make a determination as quickly as I can.
Well, court was dismissed this morning after all of that testimony from Detective George was heard, and now Judge Thompson says she's going to be reviewing those 300-plus pages of documents to determine whether defense attorneys can get this reset, an extra stay of time, and how much time they might need. She said that she should have an answer definitely by tomorrow morning when court adjourns once again at 9 a.m. Reporting live in Washington County, Trevor Ault, KOIN 6 News.
Yeah,